Tasty Time with Shagufta. Today I am going to show you how to make surmai fish curry, kingfish curry. For the gravy, we need grated coconut 1 cup, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 7 to 8 red chilies, 10 to 12 garlic. Fish I have washed with salt and turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of salt. I have grated half of the coconut. For tempering, we need 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 green chilies, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, few curry leaves, 1 small onion chopped. Finally, we need fresh coriander chopped and 5 to 6 numbers kokum. Let's begin with our recipe. For this, the first step is we have to grind this ingredients, 4 ingredients, along with salt, turmeric, cumin seed. Let's begin. Take the coconut, all the dry ingredients, and grind this to a soft paste. Take all the ingredients, coconut, coriander seeds, red chili, garlic, cumin seed, salt, turmeric, add some water and make a fine paste for the gravy. You can see I have grind the coconut and made a nice paste. Now the pan, add olive oil, add curry leaves, fenugreek seed and green chilies. Saute this. A crackling sound will come. Add onion and saute this till the onion becomes translucent. Now you can see the onion is turned translucent. Now it's time to add in the paste, onion and the paste. Mix this well for a few seconds. Saute this for few seconds. Then add in water. Mix this and let the gravy boil. Now you can see the gravy has started boiling. Now it's time to add in kokum, fish. Simmer the gas. And cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes. The gravy will be ready. Our surmai fish curry will be ready. Then I'll show you the serving. See, our fish curry is ready. Garnish it with some coriander. Serve hot with some plain rice. If you like my recipe, please share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.